Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Class nursery. Today we learn how to write H. And then you have to do this work on Al Hira English workbook. Here we have English reading phonics sheet. Okay, let's read this sheet. Name of the letter A is A, but the sound of the letter is A. Name of the letter B is B, but the sound of the letter is B. Name of the letter C is C, but the sound of the letter is C. Name of the letter D is D, but the sound of the letter is D. Name of the letter E is E, but the sound of the letter is E. Name of the letter F is F, but the sound of the letter is F. Name of the letter G is G, but the sound of the letter is G. Name of the letter H is H, but the sound of the letter is H. Name of the letter I is I, but the sound of the letter is IA. Name of the letter J is J, but the sound of the letter is J. Name of the letter K is K, but the sound of the letter is K. Name of the letter L is L, but the sound of the letter is L. Name of the letter M is M, but the sound of the letter is M. Name of the letter N is N, but the sound of the letter is N. Name of the letter O is O, but the sound of the letter is O. Name of the letter P is P, but the sound of the letter is P. Name of the letter Q is Q, but the sound of the letter is Q. Name of the letter R is R, but the sound of the letter is R. Name of the letter S is S, but the sound of the letter is S. Name of the letter T is T, but the sound of the letter is T. Name of the letter U is U, but the sound of the letter is U. Name of the letter V is V, but the sound of the letter is V. Name of the letter W is W, but the sound of the letter is W. Name of the letter X is X, but the sound of the letter is X. Name of the letter Y is Y, but the sound of the letter is Y. Name of the letter Z is Z, but the sound of the letter is Z. Okay, let's read ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, let's read how to hold a pencil. Put your thumb and your forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Now, let the pencil rest between your thumb and forefinger. So, let the pencil rest between your thumb and your forefinger. Then, put your middle finger underneath for sport. Then, put your middle finger underneath for sport. Don't do this. Pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pulled into a fist. These two ways to hold the pencil are not correct. So don't do this. Okay, Let's learn how to write H. 4-lined copy paper will help you write each letter evenly and uniformly. It will also help to distinguish the difference in size of the uppercase and the lowercase letters. Okay, now we have to write H. First draw a straight standing line which starts from the first line till the third line. Draw another standing line at the opposite side of the first standing line. Then draw a sleeping line in the middle line to join these lines to write H. So name of the letter H is H, but the sound of the letter is H ha, hen. How to write small h? Draw a straight standing line in first 3 lines. Make a curve down to the third line to write H. Draw a straight standing line from first to third line. Make a curve in the middle line till the third line to write small h. Draw a straight standing line in 3 lines. Draw another straight standing line at the opposite side of the first standing line. Now draw a sleeping line in the middle line to join these lines to write capital H. Now write small h. Draw a straight standing line in between 3 lines. Now make a curve in the middle line till the third line to write small h. The sound of the H is H ha. H ha horse, H ha house, H ha hand. H ha horse, H ha house, H ha hand. In this page, now write it again. Draw a straight standing line. Draw another straight standing line at the opposite side of the first standing line and draw a sleeping line in the middle line to join these lines to write capital H. Draw a straight standing line from first to third line. Then make a curve in the middle line till the third line to write small h. The sound of the H is H ha, hippo, H ha, hippo. Very good. Now you know how to write H. So students, do practice and do this work on your Al-Hirag workbook. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.